these.
Oi, this thing sounds insanely loud, G.
It sounds like a truck.
So boom, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video. So today we're bringing the S14 back and we're going to be working on Man's S14. Alright, so yeah, like I said, today we're going to be working on Man's S chassis. Well, trying to work on it. So what happened is he bought a new dump pipe, whatever you guys want to call it, because his one on the car right now actually blew the welds off. So he's trying to look at it right now, but basically what happened was, I don't know if I can show you guys. So yeah, here's one right there. I don't know if you guys can see it. It actually cracked the welds right there. So where I'm pointing to right there, as you guys can see, there's a gap. You can see through it. The flange blew up and basically yeah, he's bought a new one to replace it, huh? We're gonna go pick up some tools from Hank's house. Maybe get a little feed as well. Let the car cool. So yeah, let's go. Just got back home, got some lunch, got some Macca's, let's go. If you guys haven't tried the Zinger bacon and cheese one, you gotta try it. It shits on the normal Zinger. It's got the supercharged sauce on it. Like I said, you gotta try, man. Shits on the normal Zinger. Look, it's even got the supercharged sauce. Let's go, man. 100 times way better. Bro, when you hit the supercharged sauce. We currently got Man's car up on the jack stand, and let me show you guys what I meant before how the welds cracked. So if you guys come up here, as you guys can see right there, the weld has cracked and it is just currently hanging. So right there, it should be welded together. As you can see, the flange is still on, but this shit's just yeah hanging there. So we're gonna remove it all the way from the back because he bought an actually full system from the back as well. So we might as well install it. We only need this part, but yeah. Alright guys, so here it is, the new dump pipe or whatever it's called. You got this part right here, very nice. You got this as well. Oof. And we also got this part right here as well. Oof, look at that. Like, huh? What's this for? Like golf ball holder or something? Sheesh. So yeah, currently BM1 underneath, taking it off. He's asking for spanner, but I'm just here recording.
Can I have a spanner?
Yeah, give me a sec.
One.
BM1 actually got the pipe off. Naughty, busy googling how to drift a front wheel drive car, and now he can install the new one. Bro, easy job, bro. Half an hour it took, or probably 20 minutes, yeah? Alright, we're under the car. I don't know how well you guys can see, all compact, but now we're gonna take off these flanges right here. It's a bit rusty, so hopefully it's easy to take off. Ooh, look it out, boys. So the pipe is now off, and this is what we were talking about before. Here it is. Here is the snapped off welds. Look at that. What the hell? So that was welded on. Neck minute. Basically running nothing now, eh? So yeah, we just took this off now. And now gonna put on the new one.
What happened?
The screamer in the way. Yeah, and we can't put this aftermarket one in. It hits the flange here. So we either have two options, to cut the flange or to move the screamer. But we're gonna go for option one first.
Which is?
The screamer.
What was the original option one?
Between us to cut it. Huh? Check it.
Oh, you're actually a hot mechanic, bro. Oh, thanks, bro.
You look like a chippy though.
It did look like a chippy. And then look at the fluid is about to come out, bro. What are you doing right now? I don't know. You're just a chippy. You're just chipping it away, yeah? Yeah. Do what you do, baby.
He uses the what do you call these?
Those are
Allen's keys.
Oh.
No, the sizing. Is it Imperial or what's the other one? Unimperial.
Oh, in centimeters. Centimeters.
Oh, metric.
Hey, can you do something real quick? Apparently this is like crazy true. I just want to see if it works. Who's got the better balance out of you two, you reckon? Who's got better balance? Alright. So you have the better balance, you reckon?
Yeah, I guess, yeah.
Alright, so apparently you can't touch your cheeks with both hands and balance on one leg.
Like this?
Yeah, and then, yeah, go.
I mean, you couldn't control me.
Oh, Nichan! Oh!
2 hours later.
What is up, guys? Alright, guys. It is currently 6:30 at night. We thought it was gonna be a piece easy half an hour job.
Things don't go as planned.
Right, yeah. So basically, what happened was, as you guys can see, we got the screamer out. Cause long story short, yeah, it just couldn't fit in there anymore. It goes in there where I'm putting with the pipe, but yeah, it just keeps hitting the flange on the new system. So yeah, we have to cut a slit. So Harden, you know, he's genius. He marked it out. Now he's gonna cut a slit in it so then it can fit. Because it's basically hitting just on the chassis and the flange. So that's all we need to cut off, and it should work. Fingers crossed.
Yeah, it should work.
Yeah. Yeah. See, he got his. He knows what he's doing.
A professional chippy.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? It makes that sound.
Yeah. God.
Wait, can we start the car so like it warms us up? Oh, the measurement's off.
Brother, don't say that, please. Wait, guys, so right here, guys, as you can see, we went under the car and Hayden basically, he cut the wrong thing. Right here, where I'm pointing to, is where he's meant to cut, yeah? But he cut right here, so right here, it was already hitting nothing. But he cut it off, but we need to cut up here. So, I guess we're going to pull it back up and...
We mark it up again, Rick.
Yeah. So, what'd you say just then?
Looks like an actual shop. If you sand this down, it'll look a bit better, right?
You reckon? Yeah, I reckon you can pass that. I would pay probably like $400 for this, honestly.
No.
Yeah, let's go. Alright guys, we're under the car right now. The screamer is all done, just we're gonna get the cat in. But look at the screamer. Look at that A1 job. You might think it's janky, but we had to cut a slit or slot. Cause yeah, as you guys know, it was like a cylinder shape. It was actually hitting the flange. But now we cut it, as you can see, it fits. Like, it looks janky, yeah, but who's gonna look under the car anyways? Yeah, you know, it is what it is. Look at that screamer. Damn, not bad at all, yeah. Oof. 100 times way better. Alright, first start, guys.
Hey, what?
I think
E85. I think you're on E nothing.
20 minutes later.
Alright guys, so new day today. As you guys saw last night, we tried to start the S14 after exhaust change, but it wouldn't start at all. So it's gonna sound a bit cooked, but after changing the exhaust, the car wouldn't start anymore. This is the first time we've experienced it. We don't know what's going on. We suspect it could be a blown fuse, could be the dead battery, or it could be like whatever the O2 sensor one is touching right now. The O2 sensor shouldn't make the car not start, because it should start, it just shouldn't run as smooth. So it could be the battery. So we did charge it, and yeah, let's have a start. If not, it's probably the fuse. Fingers crossed. Let's go. Alright, so quick update guys. I missed it, so we sprayed a bit of this throttle body cleaner in here, and the car did turn over, but it stored like within 2 seconds. So we don't know if that actually helped or if it's an O2 sensor, but either way we need it. So currently Mun is changing the O2 sensor back, because the original one had two, but this new exhaust system only has one. So but yeah, all this process, you know, hopefully works. So yeah, getting O2 sensor out, and we'll probably catch you guys when we try to start the car again. Everything now back in that we suspect, the battery, the O2, and the spray bit of carby, and now we're gonna start it. Let's hope it starts. Yeah. Oh, the thing came off. Yeah, cams, G. what cams are you running?
Fattest cams out.
Sheesh.
Still weak. It's a bit more responsive. It's like, imagine if I got it aftermarket manifold.
What are you doing, man?
I'm not